Hi, so I'd like to show you just really quickly a very extremely basic example of how FIE-CAC runs applications within sort of a project and workspace-based context within a company. So this is as basic as it gets. So I'm just going to run SC This is a temporary user interface. It's for engineering purposes. It'll be replaced by something nicer looking later on, but for right now it does the job. So I'm going to go into my company, which is FIE. And you'll see actually it relaunches itself within that context. You'll see at the top here it's keeping sort of a breadcrumb track of where I am. So I'm within the FIE company context and I'm within the network context, which is sort of automatically bootstraps in there. I have available under here now projects, and I'm going to go into test project. And it relaunches itself and hooks up appropriate plugins. And now I'm within FIE network test project, and now I have workspaces available. Under my generic workspaces, I have test 1, so I'm going to go into that workspace. It relaunches, and you see I'm in FIE network, test project, test workspace 1. And now under applications, I have an option for 3D applications, and I have Maya underneath that. So I'm going to run Maya from within the workspace, within the project, within the company, within the network, within the company. We're going to wait a moment, and it pops up Maya version 2013. Which is pretty standard. And if I just hop over here as soon as it's done loading into a file open dialog box, we'll see that it's actually already set Maya's project to a specific Maya project within that hierarchy. So within user, FIE projects, test project, workspaces, test 1, Maya work, scenes, it's already set the project to this location. So this is one of the most basic things that this software does, but it's actually done something some things very important to proper management of software and tools within a company-wide digital asset creation and management environment, which is that it actually intelligently chose which version of Maya to run based on some back-end configuration that was handled by the systems administrator. I, as the user, didn't have to worry about it. It loaded up the right version of Maya for this workspace, for this project, for this company. That's something I'll be showing you in later, how to modify and how to do that on a per project or per workspace basis and in other technology demos. And it has also done me the favor of actually being able to dynamically set the project for me on load into the correct workspace, which is also not trivial. Usually when you just load Maya by default, you have to go in here and hit set project and then go find your project in and amongst all of your file systems and do it yourself. This system has managed to take control of that in a very generic way so the user doesn't really have to worry about it. So that was the first time you saw it. I tried to explain a little bit about it as I went, but I'm just going to quit out of Maya here, and then I'm just going to rerun it again and point out the point of this whole thing is that doing things that complex, navigating the file system, irrelevant. It's just company, project, workspace, Maya. And it handles what version of Maya am I running on this project, where is the Maya project on the file server, where am I supposed to set my project to. It handles all of that, and I can just go pretty much down to file open and just grab the appropriate file if I had done anything in this workspace that's already in the workspace, and that's it. And that's the point. From a user perspective, it's to make all those complex configurations and all the other things that this thing could be doing right now with Maya as simple as really thinking about what project am I working on, what workspace am I working in, please load that.